Port Qiashu at Qingshan River. After thousands of kilometers on ship, the Siemens 1100 kV transformer is finally back on dry land. In short distance lies the substation Guquan, where the transformer will be stationed. And from here, it will distribute electricity with the newest technology. With a 40% increase, the transformer will now distribute 12 gigawatts in 1100 kV direct current. This huge capacity reduces transmission losses. More energy reaches its destination. This capacity increase is needed. China's most populated areas are on the eastern coast, whereas wind and coal power plants are in the western part of the republic. For the first time, this new HVDC line delivers an uninterrupted and secure energy supply for the megacities and therefore the population. To secure the success of projects like this, Siemens has its own formula, managing projects through a network of factories. For this, Siemens has highly skilled people at all levels of work. Skill is needed since all transformers are handmade. Therefore, technology transfer between Siemens headquarters in Nuremberg and all its factories and partners is key. Will the 1100 kV be the end? Surely not. A few years ago, the 800 kV transformer was groundbreaking. Now it's just standard. Today, the new breakthrough is the 1100 kV, and the future will bring many more breathtaking developments. Brought to you by the Siemens Transformer Factory in Nuremberg.